Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to log out Fortnite account from logged in devices. First thing you do is, after opening a Fortnite account, www.fortnite.com, you sign in with your credentials. Next thing, you click on your name, click on account, then you open your account settings over here. Next you're going to do is from left hand side here, you see password and security. Click on password and security. Let's see if we can log out from here. So this is it. You see looking for sign out everywhere. That means you should sign out from everywhere, not that from where your Epic Games account is being used, including all the browser, phones, console, any other devices except this page. If you accept, to click on sign out everywhere. Next, don't forget that if you sign out of other session doesn't include this page, you will remain logged in on this page until you choose to sign out using the menu that is displayed by clicking your username navigation bar. So you now put in security code, then you click on sign out everywhere. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, rate it, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.